everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching English with Raka. Today we are going to talk about person of pronouns. We have already talked about what is pronoun and types of pronoun. So let's go and learn what is person of pronouns and the types of pronouns. Okay? Person of pronoun suggests the usage of different pronouns on the basis of different person. Person of pronouns are of three types: first person pronoun, second person pronoun and third person pronouns. Okay, so we will begin our discussion with first person pronoun. What is first person pronoun? I go to school every day. In this sentence, I. This is the pronoun. My best friend is Deepa. Mine. Okay? This is the pronoun. We share our food with each other. Next, in school, our headmaster teaches us math. So, these are the pronouns. We have already learned about these pronouns. So, these are the personal pronouns. Pronouns that indicate to any person. Okay? So, in these sentences, we are seeing that I, mine, our, we, us. These pronouns. So, while talking about first person pronoun, first person pronoun always indicates the speaker or the writer. Okay? The person who is talking about himself or herself. Okay? That is the first person pronoun. I. For example, I am talking to you. Okay? These sentences I am teaching you. So, while I say that I am teaching you, I am the speaker. So, I am the first person pronoun. I is the first person pronoun. Next, mine. Also, mine. Mine is also indicating me. Therefore, it is another first person pronoun. We. I said that while the speaker or writer talking about themselves, then that would be the first person pronoun. In this sentence, we share our food. We. In this we, I am talking about my friend, and at the same time, I am telling that I also share that food. Okay? I am also involved in that action. Therefore, we is indicating I and my friend. Okay? So, we. It is also a first person pronoun. In the case of our, this is also applied in the case of our. Okay? I am also involved in this our. So, it is also a first person pronoun. So, let's see the definition. First person pronoun always suggests the speaker or the writer. Okay? As I said that I am speaking, therefore I. This is the first person pronoun. I would be the first person pronoun. Or to the group where the speaker or the writer is involved with others. Okay? To the group. Like we, us, our, ours. Okay? These pronouns suggests group. Okay? Group of people. Group of people where the speaker or the writer is also involved. Okay? Therefore, he or she is telling that we are engaged or we are sharing our food. Okay? that in that action the speaker is also involved with others. So the first person pronouns are I, me, my, mine. These are the first person pronouns, and to suggest that the speaker is also involved in a group with each other, we will use we, us, our, ours. These pronouns. Okay? Okay. Next is second person pronoun. You are a funny man. You should take care of your health. Thou shalt not tell a lie. Okay? Thou means also you. Okay. So, second person pronoun means except the speaker, there is another person. Okay? Like, this is me and this is my friend. So, I am the speaker and there is also another person with whom I am talking. Okay? So, this is the second person pronoun. This is another person. Except the speaker, the first person, if there is another person who is also participating in a conversation or in an action, then that second person will be the second person pronoun. Okay? Other examples of second person pronouns: thee, thy, thine, yours. Okay? Thou, all of them, thee, thy, thine, thou. These pronouns also suggest you. Okay? And the definition of second person pronoun is: second person pronoun suggests the second man. As I said, except the speaker or writer. Second person except the speaker or writer. Okay? Is the second person pronoun who is also participating in any action. Okay? For example, you, your, yours, thee, thine, thou or thy. These are the second person pronouns. Next, third person pronoun. Rishi has lost his pen in the school. Rekha bought her new dress yesterday. They are my friends. Next, tell them to finish their work as soon as possible. Always remember that except I, me, my, our, we, us, and the second person pronouns like you, your, thee, except all these pronouns, every pronoun are third person pronouns. Okay? Like Rishi. This is a third person and Rishi has lost his pen in the school. His. His is a third person pronoun. He, him, his, she, her, they, them. These are the third person pronouns because the first person pronoun is I, we, us. We discussed it. The second person pronouns are you, your, yours, he, his. These are the third person pronouns. We are talking about any third man. Okay, except first or second person. Next, Rekha bought her new dress yesterday. Again, Rekha is a third person and while indicating Rekha, we used her, not you, your, I, we. Okay, not these pronouns. I used her. Therefore, her or she, these pronouns are the third person pronouns because we use these pronouns to indicate a third person. Okay, to indicate Rekha. Next, they are my friends. Again, they. Okay. This particular pronoun is suggesting to a group of people where second person, okay? Tell them to finish their work as soon as possible. Similarly, they, them, their, these are the third person pronouns because these pronouns are indicating to a third person. Okay? Okay. Third person pronouns suggest the third man or a group of people except the speaker. Like I, me, mine, us, our. These are the first person pronouns. So, except the speaker and the second person pronouns like you, your. So, the third man or a group of people except the speaker or the first person and second person pronouns. The rest of pronouns or rest of people will be regarded as third person, okay? And the pronouns that we use for those third person people will be the third person pronouns. For example, he, him, his, she, her, hers, they, their, them, theirs or it, its, okay? These are the examples of third person pronoun. So this is it for today's video. I hope that this video helped you in understanding person of pronouns. If you think that this video helped you, then don't forget to like this video, and if you have any doubt then comment down below. Also, if you like this video or if you don't like, then also let me know in the comment section, and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.